Hi guys, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up fast. So this method is kind of like a way, I pretend like I have company coming over in like an hour and I wanna see how much I can get done in the shortest amount of time. And I have come up with this 5D method. So it's the 5 things that start with the letter D, and it helps me keep on track and it helps me clean really efficiently and really quickly. I want to concentrate on the main living areas, so I'm going to be concentrating on our half bathroom, which is right like by the front door when you walk in, the dining room, the kitchen, and of course the living room, because it's all kind of like one big area. So before we get into it, I do want to ask you guys a question. Okay, so I am thinking of coloring my hair dark again. I've had it this color for a while. I've been trying to like find the right shade of reddish that I like, and I think I like it, but I keep seeing pictures of myself with dark hair again, so I'm like really thinking about going dark. So what do you guys think I should do? Should I leave it like this or should I go dark? Leave it down in the comment below. I would love to hear everyone's opinion. Okay, the 5 Ds that I use are declutter, dust, dishes, disinfect, and then detail. So I am going to go through and show you guys what exactly I do. I didn't set a timer or anything. I would say roughly everything took me about 45 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is declutter. I like to grab an empty basket or a little bin and just start removing stuff that doesn't belong. You can set that bin aside and go through it at a later time, but you're just mostly getting all the surface stuff out of the way. And like I'm putting all this stuff in the drawer, and that drawer needs to be gone through at some point too. But what I'm doing is just trying to make it look clean. You probably don't want to open any closets or anything like that because you'll see a mess, but to the eye, it's gonna look nice and clean, and it just makes me feel so much better. All right, the next thing I like to do is dust, and I recently got this little mitt from Norwex. I've been doing kind of a Norwex series. I'm not a consultant, but I've been using their products and I'm really liking them. It's nice getting away from chemicals and everything. I've been cleaning my whole house with pretty much water. So I'll link below some of those videos if you guys want to check that out, but this mitt makes dusting so easy. And I will also link below all the products I used. I forgot to mention earlier that I pretty much used, it was all Norwex products that I used to clean the house quick, because all you are really using are towels and water. And then I did use a little bit of the bathroom cleaner in the bathroom, but I'll link everything down below if you guys want to check it out. Alright, next I am moving into the kitchen and I'm going to go ahead and do up any dishes that are in the sink and put away any of the dry dishes. I feel like having a clean sink just makes me feel so much better, and it just makes my house look cleaner and makes the kitchen look nice and tidy. Alright, now we are moving on to disinfect, and I am taking my Norwex Enviro cloth and just wetting that bad boy with water, and I'm just wiping all of the surfaces down. I'm going to go through the kitchen and the bathroom and just use that same cloth, and I clean all the surfaces and it's removing all of the germs. I've really been loving the fact that I can clean my house with just water and I don't have to use those harmful chemicals, and not to mention it makes cleaning go by so much faster because you just need to take that towel from room to room. So I've been really enjoying these products. Okay, now we're moving into the bathroom, and this is the Norwex bathroom cleaner, and I'm just putting a couple drops in the toilet, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe all the surfaces, the mirrors, everything down with this cloth. And for the mirrors, what you do is you use the wet Enviro cloth, and then you wipe it with the window cloth afterwards, and then it leaves no streaks. It's pretty awesome. And then after I wipe everything down, I'm going to go ahead and scrub the toilet. And that was so fast. Like, this was probably the quickest I've ever cleaned the little bathroom. And now the last thing I like to do is detail. I like to go through and just check the doors, the walls, everything, just see if there's any handprints anywhere or fingerprints, and I just like to wipe those up. And then this is the time I take to vacuum, and I just use my cordless, the hell's that thing called? My cordless Dyson V6. And then this is also when I go ahead and go through and mop the floors. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it will help get you motivated. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye! Say hello. I love you.